BLCD Pro AE7 Drone, Advanced FPV Racing Drone with Triple HD EIS Anti-Shake Camera. Overview. The RNABAU BLCD Pro AE7 Drone is a state-of-the-art FPV racing drone designed for enthusiasts who demand superior performance and high-quality footage. With its Triple HD EIS anti-shake camera, this drone captures stunning, stable videos and photos. Its foldable design and advanced features make it perfect for both racing and cinematic flying. Key features: Triple HD EIS anti-shake camera. Equipped with an electronically stabilized camera, the BLCD Pro AE7 ensures smooth and clear footage, reducing vibrations and motion blur. Obstacle avoidance. With obstacle avoidance sensors on all sides, the drone can navigate safely around obstacles, making it ideal for complex environments. Brushless motor. The powerful brushless motor provides efficient and reliable performance, offering a smoother and quieter flight experience. Optical flow positioning. This feature enhances stability and precision in flight, especially useful for indoor flying and low-altitude maneuvers. Foldable design. The drone's compact, foldable design makes it highly portable and easy to carry, perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Wi-Fi FPV racing. Enjoy real-time video transmission with FPV mode, allowing for immersive racing and precise control. One-button operations. Simplified controls for takeoff, landing, and emergency stop, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Speed adjustment. 3 speed modes: slow, medium, fast, cater to pilots of all skill levels. Specifications. Model: BLCD Pro AE7 Drone. Standalone weight, including battery 156G. Battery weight, 29G. Remote control weight, 139G. Drone size, unfolded 25 by 25 by 5.3 centimeters. Drone size, folded 8.1 by 12.5 by 5.3 centimeters. Color box size, 21 by 17 by 8 centimeters. Storage bag size, 29 by 9.2 by 21.6 centimeters. Packing quantity, 24 PCs. Gross weight net weight, 13.8 12.8 kilogram. Box size, 44 by 34 by 55 centimeters. Battery capacity, 3.7 V 2000 mAh modular battery. Frequency, 2.4 GHz. Charging method, universal USB interface. Charging time, 60 minutes. Flight time, about 12 to 15 minutes. Remote control distance, about 200 meters. Camera mode, FPV. Operation method, remote controlled APP control. Additional features. Brushless motor, offers reliable, efficient, and quiet performance with 6-level wind resistance. 4-sided obstacle avoidance, enhances safety and prevents collisions during flight. Electronically controlled camera, enables precise camera angle adjustments. Optical flow positioning, provides stable hovering and precise control. Foldable aircraft, compact design for easy transport and storage. 6-axis gyroscope, ensures stable and smooth flight. One-button takeoff and landing, simplifies drone operation for all skill levels. Speed modes, adjustable speeds, slow, medium, fast, for different flying experiences. Headless mode, easier orientation control, especially for beginners. One key roll and correction, performs flips and auto-corrects position. Gesture photo and video, capture photos and videos with simple hand gestures. Trajectory flight, Plan flight paths on the app for automated flying. Gravity sensor, control the drone by tilting your smartphone. Automatic photo, intelligent flight modes for hands-free photography. The BLCD Pro AE7 drone is a powerful and versatile drone, perfect for FPV racing enthusiasts and those looking to capture high-quality aerial footage. Its advanced features, durable design, and user-friendly controls make it a top choice for both beginners and experienced pilots.